all, welcome to my channel VAGPE Media. This is Follow Me, and in today's tutorial I'm going to do something different. I'm going to show you how to do color isolation effect using Canva. It's a beautiful effect. It gives a stunning appeal to your content. So without any further ado, let's straight head over my computer and see how to do color isolation using Canva. Okay, I have to go to photos. From there, I'll have to type forest because I want to bring that effect. So I'll choose one as per my preference, and I like this one. Right click, set the image as background. Click on this option. Yes. Now I will have to go to edit image, and then I'll have to change the brightness to 30 and saturation to -100. Okay, and now you see this is black and white, right? Now again I'll have to go to photos and I'll have to check for some beautiful peacock image. Okay, so I'll type peacock, and I've got so many ample of choice, so I'll choose as per my need. I've chosen this. That now edit image, background remover. Now this is one option which comes in on a pro version. So I'll just place the peacock, rotate it in a little bit. I mean, it should be realistic, and change the size as per my need. Make it a little smaller. Apply another peacock. Peacocks are already beautiful and colorful, so you no need to adjust the color, do any color correction as such. You don't need to do it. If you want, you can do, but I like it as it is. So this is how, and I think I should be going for another one, so I'm taking this one again. Edit image, background remover. Takes a little while. Well, if you don't have a Canva Pro account, I'll be attaching one link in my description where you can use the Canva Pro 30 days absolutely for free, and then after that, if you like it, you can continue. Otherwise, you can cancel it anytime. Now go to position backward because I want this peacock at the back of these two peacocks. So yes, now it's gone, right? So this is how the final image looks. Beautiful, right? So thank you so much for staying with me here. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. If yes, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button next to it and select all notifications so that you keep getting notification whenever I upload my next videos. And if you want to explore the different features of Canva Pro, because I have been using few features in this tutorial, as I mentioned, those are available only for Pro version, then you can get one link in the description using which you can have a 30 days trial of Canva Pro. You can use it. If you like, then you can pay for it after 30 days. So that was today's tip. I hope you enjoyed today's tip. Next week I'll come back with some stunning fun video. Till then, stay safe, stay legend.